Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'll be sharing with you settings that all these big YouTubers used to put in their channel, because actually for me as a small content creator, small YouTuber, watched a lot of big channels videos. The settings they used to talk about, what they tell us, we small YouTubers, the settings they tell us to put in place, how they used to get views, those settings they share it in their videos. I've watched all those videos, so in this video I'll be sharing with you all those settings they've talked about. So come along with me, let's do it together. Let's go first to my dashboard. So you go to, as you're seeing on the screen, YouTube studio.youtube.com. That's where you go to. Just trying to check, maybe this thing is well connected. Okay. So now this is the YouTube studio. When you log into your, this is actually my, this is my first channel. As I said in that, my welcome to my YouTube channel. So that's my first video. I told you guys that I have a YouTube channel which I'm monetized. I'm monetized already there. That's Faceless YouTube channel. So this is the channel. So let me just, I don't want to use this. Let me use this. You see this arrow, this particular one here. So you clicked on it, it will give you this. So now let's go to, it's step by step, right? We are new into this. So general, channel, let's go to channel. This is how they do it. So so this channel now, are you seeing it? Basic info. See this basic info I filled. This is what they said. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4, or like the first 4 or the first 5 must contain tags that is really important to your niche. They must be important to your niche. So make sure you add tags that are important to your niche in this first 5 YouTube tag. So add it like that. So it depends on your niche. So add one that is important to your niche. Now let's go to advanced settings. In this advanced settings, this one, there is no need for this. Yes, set this channel as, unless you are doing something that is like for children channel. If you are into children channel, children videos, like you make videos for children, so you can tick that, yes, set this channel as made for kids. But if it's not, you just put no, like click that no, set this channel as not made for kids. So we are through with that. This automatic caption, click on it also. It is okay, it is good. That's what they said. Okay, so for this automatic caption, you can just click it, tick it also. This one, no need. Allow viewers to click on my content, click that one also. Allow third-party companies, no need for that one. So let's go to feature. So clicked on it, you can see these 3. All my own is showing enabled, so make sure all your own are showing enabled, because this particular one now, it is very important. Algorithm will be able to know who you are, so that it will be able to push out your content out. It will be able to show your content to the right audience also. Is important. Those are the important steps that we must fill. So we are through with that channel. Then upload defaults. Click on upload defaults. Click on it. So when you click on this, you see title, no need for title. As you are uploading your video, you can add title, but this description I put it in my own because you see, this particular hashtag is actually for my niche. It's good for my niche also, so that's the reason why I put this hashtag there. So as I upload, this hashtag will be showing on my videos. So if you don't want to put it, it depends on you, but for me, I'm putting these hashtags. It depends. Just go to your niche and know your niche, know your niche and know the kind of particular hashtag that will be okay for your channel. So I put this hashtag. Then visibility, when you upload video, you'll be doing that. You put it private or this it in public, private, unlisted, so you can do all those ones. Then tags are very, very important. So I make sure I put all these tags 1 2 3 4 5. As I said earlier, the first four, they are important, so make sure you put all these tags on your channel. Make sure you put them on your channel. It depends on your niche, as I said. So this is my niche, so I put all these ones because I believe that all these are important for my niche. That's why I'm putting them. So I had all these. Then go to advanced settings, automatic chapters. You see this particular automatic chapters, those big YouTubers said it is not good. For me, for that my video that I got monetized, I used to put it and the views, no, I used to have view, but the average view duration is not really like that. So now I've learned, because in that my video I told you guys that I don't used to watch all these how to grow, those kind of thing. I don't used to watch it before I got monetized in that channel. So I don't used to watch it. I just do my own thing normal. Eventually I got monetized. So they said automatic chapters, adding it is not good. It will affect your video. It's something, they said something is something like AI, and the way to be putting those chapters and all is not good. So the best thing for us to do is to put it manually, which is using timestamp. I'll put it on the screen, like something like that, so you can be using it. So don't tick this allow automatic chapters and key moments. Don't tick it. There's no need. So your categories, you know your category, right? So put your category there. License, this one, it is not okay. Put creative common attribution. This is okay, so that other people will be able to, as you are posting, when people like your video, they will start tagging you, like tagging, yeah, something like that. This particular one, it is okay also. So don't put standard YouTube license, put creative common attribution, add it to it. Language and caption, this one, it's just put English, United States. Okay, let me just my network, let me just put English. Just English is okay. It depends on you. So it depends on you, nothing special here. It depends on the language you are speaking, what you want to add. Why is English now? So just put English here. English is okay. Video language, English. Then title and description language, no need for that. Comments on it, you see, is on and off, so just put it on so that people can comment on your video. It's good for people to comment on your video, so it's to start pushing your video out. So again, now go to here. Have you seen where I clicked? Click that particular section, click it. So this particular one, when you clicked it, it will give you something like this. Then go to home tab. Now go to, you see this sign here, this on and off is on and off. Let me on it. Are you seeing it? It has bring out all these my videos. It has bring them out, but when I off it, it's not showing again. So you have to on this thing, on it. When you're on it, you will see for YouTube, okay, you will see all these sections. You see this touch that add sections. So you see this channel trailer is meant for people that are new to your channel, that this is their first time of seeing your channel. They clicked there, so if they now go to your YouTube videos, if they click on your YouTube videos, to show them videos that you want them to watch. So let me add it to it. It will add to your watch hour also. Channel trailer, which one should I add? Let me add this, starting a YouTube channel in 2025. So let me add this. So anybody, have you seen that it's showing now? Anybody that is new to my channel now will be able to see this video. This is the first video they will see after they watch what they clicked. If they go to my channel, like go to my videos to check more of my video, this is what will this particular video will play for them. And you can actually change it also. See this 3 dots, click it, you can change it, remove video, change video. If you want to change it, if you have another video that is, and they also said that any video that you had there, make sure it is viral video, make sure it has a lot of view. Let it be video that has view. This particular channel is new, I'm adding this to it. If I still want to change it in the future, of course I will still change it. I will just click on these 3 dots and change it. And if I want to remove it, I can remove it. You see that remove video there? Is it remove video? I can remove it. If you still want to add another one, which is spotlight for returning subscribers, let me click on it. This one is just meant for your subscribers, people that have subscribed to your channel, what they can watch again. You can choose any viral video also again and add to it. Let me just add this to it. So are you seeing it? All these are meant to push out your videos for new people coming to your channel and returning subscribers checking your videos, to boost your watch hour. And people that are monetized already, it will give them more money. You know, when people watch your video, of course they will pay you for it. So it's part of it. You can add anything. And playlist, this is playlist. I will not be talking about playlist much in this video, it will be too long. So if you want to create playlist, maybe I will talk about it in another video. These are my created playlists that I've already done. Created playlist. These are my short videos, 2 short videos. Then my 5 videos I've done. This is what I've learned from big YouTubers, or this is what I've learned from them. Again, they said this more settings. Are you seeing it? More settings. Click on it. Click on this more settings. All these things, are you seeing it? 1 2 3, they must be on. If you don't on it, let me off it now. This thing will not show. Short video, short live stream, just on them, so that when you create shorts, it will show. When you create live stream, it will show also. Then click on this one, all content recommended. Click on it. Click on this one, sorry, this one, all contents recommended. Add it to it, then press done. I think we are through now. Yes, we are through. We are through with all this. Make sure you add playlist to your channel. Add playlist to your channel, please. It will increase your watch hour also. And again, we'll talk about that one in another video. That one also is very, very crucial. I will talk about it in next video. So thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be sharing more tips and more settings that I'm learning. I'll be sharing it with you guys. See you in the next video. Sorry. Before that, don't forget to put publish. don't forget to click on publish, so add that publish to it. All the things that we've done now, it has been saved. So see you in the next video.